Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my July Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know about Stitch Fix, it is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give some information about your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she's going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, purses, jewelry, accessories, whatever you want, based on what you say you want in your style profile. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home. If you keep one item from the box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to the cost of that one item. If you keep all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which makes for a really good deal. The only way you lose your $20 is if you decide to keep nothing from the box, and then Stitch Fix keeps your $20. We're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. When you open up the box, you're gonna see the directions on what to do next. Stitch Fix is super convenient. You do all your checkout online. It's so easy. You only pay for what you keep. I just love it. You're gonna see the prepaid mailer bag, and this bag is used for anything that you decide you don't want, you wanna send back, you put it in this bag, or if you need to make an exchange for a different size, those items will go back in this bag and get sent back to Stitch Fix. You're gonna see an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 23 for me. You're also gonna see an oh hello card, and this is your style card with your note from your stylist. So Kara has been my stylist, and she still is. So I'm gonna read what she says. Jennifer, it's fix day. I hope you're having an amazing week so far, and this fix makes it that much better. I'm so happy that you love the jean shorts in the last fix, and since they are hard to come by, especially Bermuda shorts, I had to snag the Liverpool Chloe short. They are a 9-inch inseam, a dark wash, high rise, and you'll love the super comfy elastic waist. Don't you love Maxi dresses in the summer months? I know they look fabulous on your tall frame, and this teal green will definitely showcase your eye color. I know it's a little more than you might initially spend. That's why I made sure to pull tops at a lower price point. I love that she thinks about my prices. That's wonderful. To add a little pizzazz to your wardrobe, I've pulled a few fun new prints, colors, and a halter style top for you to try out. I do not own any halter style tops. Thank you for being a loyal client and helping to keep me styling. Stay safe, Kara. And so here's a picture of my style card. And here's my bundle. There's some really pretty colors, and I think that's that dress that she's talking about. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what I got. All right, so the first item on top of my box is the Alecto halter top by Verse in yellow. And I do not own any halter tops, and it's kind of like a spaghetti string style halter top. It's got some really pretty colors, kind of a boho looking print here. It's got the yellow and some blues, and it looks like some beiges and oranges in it. That's really pretty. It has a keyhole in the back. The only thing that I'm worried about is I don't wear halter style tops, and so I don't have a strapless bra to wear with it. So I'll try it on with my regular bra, and if I like it, then I will decide to purchase a strapless bra. But let's see what it's made of. 100% rayon. And that does concern me because rayon tends to shrink, and I'm not very good at washing rayon. So it says machine wash cold, cool iron if needed, only non-chlorine bleach when needed, line dry, which I line dry everything, but I do worry that it will shrink. So it does have like a little bit of a high-low, which is good for me. Next is by Fun to Fun. It is a Mackenzie split neck sleeveless top in blue, and it's blue and white, and so it looks like this. There's the print for you. It also feels like it might be made of rayon. Let's check that out. And so this top is also made of 100% rayon, machine wash cold, only non-chlorine bleach when needed, line dry, warm iron if needed. I'm a little bit nervous about these rayon only tops. I wish it was like a rayon blend, because I always worry about shrinking it, but it feels good. So we'll see about that. But it does have cute little, couple little buttons down the front. It does have a high-low hem, just a little bit, not much, but it's a cute print. Looks like something I would wear, but like I said, I'm a little worried about the fabric. Next is by Wisp. It is the Cambrie Knit Gauze Maxi dress in teal green. So here is the dress. I like the top of it. Let me just try to get in a little bit closer. It looks like it's just teal green and some darker greens and cream. And that's really pretty, but it says it's gauze. It is a Stitch Fix exclusive, which is nice. Let's see about the care on this dress. All right, so it says the shell is 99% polyester, 1% spandex. The lining is 100% polyester. It says machine wash cold, do not bleach, reshape, lay flat to dry, warm iron as needed, or you can dry clean. So that is very pretty. I'm excited to try that. Sometimes maxi dresses can be a little short on me, so we'll see. But another item that you gotta be careful when washing. So the next item is by Pink Clover. It is the Daisee button back detail knit top, and it says it's navy, but it looks almost like a gray, but it's navy. It's just a cute little striped shirt. It has the button detail going down the back, really soft, super stretchy, so I think that would be something I would definitely like to wear. And then the last item is by Liverpool. It is a Chloe Bermuda short in indigo, and I just received a Chloe Bermuda capri pants. I'm sure these are probably gonna fit, but they have that stretchy elastic waist, fake pockets in the front, some real pockets in the back. They do have a cuffed bottom, and it is stitched so you cannot roll that down. It's a nice dark wash, and I think it would pair well with all of the tops. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to do the try on. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with the first two pieces, and on the top I have the Pink Clover Daisee button back detail top, navy. And this top is really cute. It's just a navy stripe, really soft, long enough for me. Comes down a little bit longer in the back, enough to cover my bottom, which is good. But it has this cute little button detail on the back, which is really cute, and it goes all the way down. They are fake buttons, so that's good. It's just a basic little striped top. I think it's really cute. On the bottom, I have the Liverpool Chloe Bermuda short in indigo size 10. And I love the shorts that have the elastic pull on. I feel like they're so stretchy and comfortable. Plus you don't have all the extra bunching up from the buttons and zipper and everything like that on the front. So they are a great length, super stretchy, very comfortable, great dark wash. Feel like it fits really well. So I think these two are definite keepers. I'll be back with the next top. Okay, I am back with the next top, and this is the Fun to Fun Mackenzie split neck sleeveless top in blue. And this top is really cute. Has a cute little split neck. It's got 3 buttons going down the front. It has some slips up on the side. It's very long, front and back. It comes down a little bit lower in the back, which is good. Fits really good around the arms. And here's an up close of the print. Just a nice blue and white print. So what do you guys think? I think I like it. I think it pairs well with the shorts. I'll be right back with the halter top. All right, I am back with the third shirt, and this is the, here it says Renee C, but it says Verse on the tag. Alecto halter top in yellow, and it's a size large. And I do not have the right bra on for it. I have a gray bra on with a white cami underneath, but I think it's cute. And even with this top, I don't feel like it shows your bra a whole lot, but if I decide to keep it, I would purchase a strapless bra. I feel like it's good in the arms. It is long enough. I just can't dry it and shrink it, which I don't normally dry my items anyway because I am so tall that I don't want to shrink anything. And it is a little bit longer in the back. Here's what it looks like in the back. It has a cute little keyhole. And up close of the print. I do like the colors. And I love how she paired everything with the shorts, which was really nice. I've got the dress to try on and I'll be right back. I am back with the dress, and this is the Wisp Cambrie knit gauze maxi dress in teal green. And this was the expensive item from the box that she talked about. I love that it has like a little crisscross here in the front. I think that the band here helps to give me a little bit of a waistline. I love the print and the colors. It is gauzy feeling. There's stretch in it, like there's stretch, but there's no stretch in the back where it zips up. So it has a zipper that goes up. So I could not zip this up by myself. My husband had to help me zip it up, but it's really cute. The only thing that I'm wondering is I am 5 foot 10 inches tall. Maxi dresses can look a little short sometimes. So let me show you, and I'm gonna scoot back. And it comes about, I guess about an inch or so above my ankle. So what do you think about that? Is it too short? So, but you guys weigh in and tell me what you think. But I think the colors are really pretty. All right, so I'll be right back to do a recap. I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And so the first item on the list is the Chloe Bermuda short. And these are a size 10 and they are $58, and I love them. They're stretchy, they're comfortable, they're definitely keepers. Next is the Fun to Fun Mackenzie split neck sleeveless tank in blue. And I really like this one a lot more than I thought I would, even though it's made of rayon, it's long. I think as long as I don't dry it in the dryer, I should be fine. If you guys have any suggestions on how to care for items that are made of rayon, leave them in the comments box below. I would love to hear how you guys take care of your rayon items, but this is really cute. I really liked it with those shorts, but the cost of that shirt was $38. Next is this dress by Wisp. It is a Cambrie knit gauze maxi dress in teal green. It does not have a lot of stretch when you're zipping it up, but it does have stretch down in the skirt part of it. But I think it's beautiful. I thought it was flattering. The only thing I'm worried about is the length. Tell me what you thought about the maxi dress. Is it worth keeping? It's my pricey item. It's $98. All right, next item on my list is the pink Clover Daisy button back detail top in navy. And that was this top right here. And this is just a good, stretchy, comfortable top. It's cute with the little buttons on the back, and the cost of it was $34. And then the last item on my list is it says Renee C on my paper, but verse on the tag, Alecto halter top in yellow. And that's this top right here. And my husband, this was his favorite top, but his favorite colors are yellow and orange and things like that. So, and the cost of that top is $38. So she did a great job of keeping the other items down on price. So my stylist pick subtotal is $266. If I keep all 5, I get the discount of 25%, which takes off $66.50, which makes my order subtotal $199.50. Shipping is free. I do not get the $20 styling fee because I have the Style Pass. So my order total for those 5 items would be $199.50. I would love to hear what you think about my fix. Do you think I should keep all 5 items? Do you think I should send the dress back? But I feel like if I send the dress back, that I should probably send 1 or 2 of the tops back. So in the comments boxes below, tell me what you think I should keep. I'll also put a referral link down. So if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, it will either be for $25 or $50. My husband has had a $50 referral link. So if I still have that available, I will put it in my description box. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like Stitch Fix videos. I get my box monthly. My little girl gets her box every 3 months. My husband's been getting his box every 2 months. So until next time, bye guys.